Hello everyone, I'm Himanshu and these are Mivi Duopods F30. These are budget wireless earphones from Mivi and I bought it from Flipkart at just rupees 1200. So in this video we'll unbox it, check the specification and you will get my first impression. So let's get started. Okay, this is the box in which we got the Duopods. On the front, the highlights are fast charging, powerful bass, and made in India. Let's take out the polythene first. Now on the back, few things are mentioned here. HD stereo sound, 10 mm drivers. Wait, on Flipkart it is mentioned that it has 13 mm drivers. But here it is written that it has 10 mm drivers. So clearly Flipkart is showing wrong information. Next, it has touch control so you can play pause songs, jump to next song or previous song, answer calls and even control the volume directly from the earphones. This volume control feature we don't usually get in the wireless earbuds. Also, it has fast charging feature in the case. Not in the earphones, they'll charge slowly but the case will charge fast. And they claim on Flipkart that you will get 10 hours of battery in just 10 minutes of charge. And also they are IPX4 sweat resistant. Okay, that's all. Let's open the box now and see what all we get. So we got some user manuals and then we have our Duopods F30. Let's take it out. Oh, I'm very much disappointed here. Can you see? New product I'm opening for the first time and it is dirty already. Black stains are there on both back and front sides. It's like I got a used product. Let's keep it aside and check what else we got here. Okay, we got some extra tips and a USB Type-C cable for charging. It's nice to see finally brands are switching to Type-C port in the budget segment too. And this is the Duopod F30 case, clean it a little. It has Mivi logo on the top and Type-C port for charging on the back. It is pretty small and compact. You can see how small it is comparing to my hand. And here are the earbuds. Oops, let me take them out. The hinge of this case is very loose and it gets closed without even a push. Okay, now let's have a look at the earphones. So the design is little bit similar to AirPods Pro, so it should be comfortable in ear. Here is the overall look of these earphones. They have an LED on the top too which blinks if Bluetooth is not yet connected and also shows red color while charging in the case. Also we have the microphone at the bottom. The rubber tip quality is also good and it is looking very premium. And to connect them it's very simple. Just take them out of the box, go to the Bluetooth setting in your phone and connect to Duopods F30. That's it. And I'm already done with the Bluetooth connection and it's time to test them. So we'll first check the in-ear fit. Okay, in-ear fit is pretty good actually. I'm not feeling any weight in my ears. These are very lightweight earphones. The shape kind of just slides right into the shape of my ear. So I'm pretty much liking the fit right now. And also I don't think that they are gonna fall while running or doing exercise. So yeah, in-ear fit is pretty good. Now let's play some song and see how the sound quality is. Okay, so the sound quality is actually really good and the bass is also good. It is not overpowering but well balanced. The touch controls works pretty well too and the touch area is not just a point, it's half of the stick. So it is easy to use. And I'll say in this budget, it is just amazing. Maybe did a great job here, but this was just a first impression. I'll make a separate full review video where we'll test the battery life, fast charging and audio lag while gaming, etc, etc. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. Hit the like button if you did. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. So see you in the next one.